Yoga is also supposed so that you can calm the mind, nevertheless it also is a high-quality method to get in form and shed extra pounds. Listed below are a few postures that may support scale back your nervousness and the number on the size. Preserve each and every posture as long as that you would be able to, that could be 15 to 20 seconds in the beginning, but whenever you practice, maintain the posture for just a few seconds longer and make your manner up to a minute if which you could. The place correct, do one side and repeat on the opposite aspect. 1. Plank. Plank. Holding a plank is also one of the fine ways to enhance your core. It would possibly not seem like much, however drop into plank and it gained it take lengthy to believe it on your abs. Refined adjustments can develop the depth much more. Energetically draw your heels and the top of your head in reverse recommendations and maintain your chest relocating ahead between your arms. Do this daily for strengthen rock hard abs. 2. Warrior 2. Warrior, i.e. like a powerful warrior, you can even tone the muscle mass to your thighs and shoulders with Warrior 2. To get probably the most out of the posture, attempt to bend your front knee so your thigh is parallel to the floor. The longer which you can preserve this roll, the tighter your quads will get. The key is to calm the mind and just breathe. Remind yourself, you are a warrior. Now, mighty warrior, change sides. 3. Warrior 3. Warrior IIIFO are a more toned butt, Warrior 3 is how you can go. In addition to firming your back end, it's also a pleasant option to make stronger your again, legs and palms. Now not handiest will it help you stability, however it'll flatten your belly too. The longer which you could hold Warrior 3, the extra your butt will improvement. 4. Triangle. Triangle. Trikonasana would possibly not make your muscle mass shake like another postures, but do it mainly and your abs will thanks. The twisting movement of Trikonasana helps to improve digestion and slash fat deposits within the stomach. On high of that, by way of enticing the muscular tissues of the legs and palms, that you may build extra muscle and burn more fats. 5. Downward canine. Downward dog. Looking for an option to tone your whole body? Then downward dog it. With a bit further attention to special muscle groups, this asana goes from a resting pose to an intensive technique to give a boost to your palms, again and thighs. To get essentially the most muscle firming advantages, engage your thigh muscle mass as you rotate them inward, and do the same with your higher palms. Continue to press down through your hands and heels. Maintain it, and don't disregard to breathe. 6. Shoulder stand. Shoulder stand. From making improvements to digestion to treatment for the thyroid and even growing force, shoulder stand does it all. This inversion works to steadiness thyroid levels which boosts metabolism, improves the respiratory system, strengthens the higher physique, legs and abs, and helps you sleep better. Add this to your observed day to day and you'll consider like a whole new character. 7. Bridge. Bridge. Bridge pose is high quality for the thyroid, glutes, and high quality for weight reduction. The motion of attaining your chest towards your chin gently massages the thyroid gland to provide this all-primary metabolism regulating hormone. Pressing down with your FT engages your thighs and back finish to support tone these muscle tissues too. And if you want a different rationale to observe bridge, it additionally helps stimulate the abdominal organs to hold your digestion completely happy. 8. Twisted chair. Credit score. Mindful Yogini. Credit. Mindful Yogini call it yoga's variation of a squat, however made just a little bit more excessive. Parivrita Utkatasana, or chair pose, works the quads, the glutes, and the abs. And that's simply the muscular tissues. The twisting additionally helps the digestive system and the lymph process. Mix all these into one transfer and also you've received a satisfactory method to drop extra pounds. 9. Bow. Bow pose. Looking for a solution to burn belly fat quick? Bow pose can aid. You could get deeper into the pose by pulling your hands and toes in reverse directions until best your stomach and pelvis are touching the ground. No longer simplest does bow pose support massage the belly organs to reinforce digestion, but it's also a robust method to fortify the thighs, chest and back. 10. Solar salutations. Solar salutations. You may consider of sun salutations in an effort to ease into your apply. It slowly stretches and warms up the muscle tissues, gets the blood flowing and all that good stuff. However, it does so much more. Sun salutations construct interior heat at the same time even as stretching and toning lots of the primary muscular tissues. They can aid trim your waist, tone your fingers, steadiness your metabolism and stimulate your digestive system.